Weiyou Wear Resistance Material Company Limited is a professional manufacturer specialized in the high-quality transmission spare parts of excavators and other construction machinery. All our products have passed ISO 9001 quality certification. Our company was established in 2006. It covers an area of 43,000 square meters and has a total investment of 500 million CNY. We have advanced static pressure casting automatic lines, a variety of advanced equipment, and imported processing centers, CNC lathes, professional R&D center teams, invention patents, and special trademarks. We have strong technical forces with technologies designed for the research and development, production, precision processing, and completion of assembly of excavation machinery accessories. And our complete after-sales service system provides a strong guarantee for customers' convenience. Our main product included excavator travel gearbox, travel motor, swing gearbox, swing motor, and all related accessories, e.g., gears, housing, carrier, gear ring, cover, and so on. Additionally, we can also manufacture according to the customer's drawings or samples based on their requirement. Our brand, Weiyou, W-Y, is famous in China domestic, and now our company has become one of the largest manufacturers for the construction machinery parts in Guangdong. However, we are not stopped here and looking forward to have a long-term mutual trust cooperation with international customers. Feel free to contact us and warm welcome to visit our company.